guys, this is Jeff from The Greatest Journey. What makes Seoul a very interesting city is that it is able to blend the old and the new, the traditional and the contemporary, historical structures and modern architecture. Today, we will check out some of Seoul's history and traditions. Would you believe that you can visit 5 UNESCO sites in and around Seoul? Our day begins with the changing of the guards performance at Gyeongbokgung Palace. But since I've already visited twice in the past, we choose to enter Changdeokgung Palace instead, the only one of the royal palaces inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. But the highlight of today's activities is our cooking class in a hanok, a traditional Korean house. As I always do when I travel independently in Asia, I included a cooking class. I value experiences as much as sightseeing. Join us today in Seoul's Palace Quarter.
있사오니 여러분의 많은 이용 부탁드립니다. 감사합니다.
Ladies and gentlemen, shortly, changing of the Royal Palace Guard ceremony will take place at the Haemul Square after the off-duty gate guard is in place at Gwanghwamun.
점고를 마친 교대 수문장은 각 문의 이상 유무와 교대 상태를 확인하기 위해 광화문으로 이동하고 근무를 마친
Yeah, you can put your stuff inside the room. Sorry, I was preparing a little bit. So we used to have the kitchen and restroom outside. So whenever you try to cook something, you put the wood outside kitchen and you fire them, and then that heat goes on every floor of the house. That's how we used to heat up the house. 2 years. You might not be familiar with this. Do you know this?
Jelly, like acorn jelly.
Oh,
But
they're very similar.
similar.
It's a mung bean jelly.
Mung bean jelly.
So this is the dish from 1700 era.
Put it on a broad square like this, little corner, because we're gonna put a pancake next to it. So let's put it a little corner, and let's give a little space for east, west, north, and south, because we're gonna surround it and refer to the fish sauce and that. It has more deep taste.
One more ingredient.
One more umami.
But is it salty?
Yes.
Yes, and
Half?
yeah, half.
More salty.
But you know, when it comes to a fish sauce or tuna sauce, it's so different.
Oh, it smells good.
But not sure yet. Might not happen.
Definitely gonna happen. You know, and that's a fun fact. I don't know about Taiwan, Philippines, but Korea, like this small territory, if you
I agree.
You don't like it.
Yes, and where and how and when.
God, you guys are good. Everyone very good. Because I'm very straightforward since I'm.
Yeah. I'm really excited for my friend's wedding.
I'm jealous at all. Not jealous at all. You have someone. You have somebody to take you.
Yeah.
You can come to mine next March.
Next March.
Yeah, I'm getting
You're getting married?
next March. Yeah.
You are.
Congratulations.
In the middle.
oil might pop off, so be careful with the oil. And then once you pour, you are gonna make all the oil surround your pancake all around.
Checking both sides are evenly cooked, not burned. So let's do a little more. One more, and then we gotta keep pressing it. We want to cook every part of it.
Very good.
It's looking very good.
Good nga oil.
Oh, I see. It's this plate down there. Okay, I'll get one for us. That's what we do for our dogs.
What kind of dog do you have?
We have a corgi.
Oh,
Cute. Oh yeah.
his business kind of like, you know, started getting better.
Yes, and it builds.
Yeah.
So normally some region use a fish sauce or tuna sauce for the gochujang, like fresh kimchi too. But we just use the apple vinegar.
I do my pork chops a lot like this. I put a lot of I caramelize onions, and I would at home myself. I borrow this stuff and stuff, but it's just easier to do. Yeah, it is.
Looks good, everybody. Looks very good.
We still have a little water, so we're just gonna wiggle around.